this is tonight's homework. One solution, no solution, infinite solution. We did this earlier and on another day. We did this in class. In most classes, we did it in class together. Most classes we did already. We did this one in most classes. Now, this one here we didn't do. So this is number 3, letter D. Okay, number 3, letter D. Gulp Pizza charges $6 in delivery fee and $2 per pizza. Compare Gulp Pizza with Heat Pizza, which charges this much. So they're using Y and X. So you need to use X for the number of pizza. So this is 6 plus 2x equals 2y. X represents the number of pizza. Okay. And y represents the cost. Okay. So the other one is this equation right here. Y equals to 4x. Now, because there's nothing here, you put plus 0 right there. So without graphing, what can you say about the solution of the two graph without graphing? Got the word graphing. What can you say about the solution of the two graphs? Well, let's see. Let's look at the rate of change. That's the most important, is looking at the rate of change. Okay? The rate of change are different, so you're going to have one solution. Remember, all these, the rate of change were the same. No solution, rate of change is the same, while the y-intercept are different. Now, one solution is when the rate of change of 2 and 3 is different. Okay, so notice the rate of change, this is going to be one solution. One solution because the rate of change two and 4 are different. That means the graph will meet and have one answer. Okay. Let's graph that to see where the graph meets. Okay. X represents the number of pizza. Here's the X right here. Number of pizza. Y is the total cost. Here's the Y on the graph. This is the cost. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The first one is y-intercept is at 6. And you go up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1 each time. That's the linear equation. Okay. This other one right here, I'm highlighting in green. Make a green line there. Y-intercept is at 0. You go up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Let's see. Okay. Y-intercept is at 0, 0. Up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Right there. See how the red and the green meet up? That's your solution. Okay. right there. So the solution here is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3 pizzas. 3 pizza for 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Okay. The red one is for gulp. I forgot to put gulp here. And the green one is for heat pizza. That's at 3 pizza for $12 is when gulp and heat pizza charge the exact same amount. Okay. Now this one on A, for the classes that we didn't do this, is no solution because the rate of change, this is the rate of change of 1 over 1, is the same for both problems. It's one solution because the rate of change of 3 over 1 and the other one, 2 over 1, are different. So it's one solution. C, that one solution means the graph meets at one time, right? This here, you notice the rate of change of 5 and 5 are the same. This is, if there isn't any, it's a plus 0, remember that. The rate of change are the same because the rate of change is the same, there's going to be no solution. No solution because the rate of change five are the same in both problems. And the y-intercept are different. While the y-intercept and then most of you, we did this and we did that, or you should know how to do it. Make sure you label the graph. Okay, number 6 here on the very last page. Without graphing, state whether the system of equation is one solution, no solution, or infinite solution, and state the reasons why. Use the vocabulary word rate of change, y and y-intercept. Okay, this one is going to be, look, these can be divided by 2, so it becomes 1 over 4x minus 3, which is the exact same thing as here. So it's going to be the exact same line. This is going to be infinite solution because, look, the rate of change are the same, the y-intercept is the same. So it's going to be the same line. It's going to be one on top of the other. So it's infinite solution. Because 1 over 4 rate of change and negative 3, and because the rate of change and the y-intercept of negative 3 is the same in both problems. Okay, that's it. B, well, this can be reduced to 2, so 2x minus 5 Okay, the rate of change are the same, but look, the y-intercept, you do additive inverse. They're different. -5 is different than a +5. Therefore, it's no solution. The rate of change two is the same in both problems. While the y-intercept -5 and 5 are different. Okay, the last problem, reduce that to 1/4x plus 8. The rate of change, look, is 1/4 and 4 is different, so it's going to be one solution. Because the rate of change one-fourth and 4 are different. Okay, that's it. I'm so tired.